Hey everybody, Pro Trader Press here. Just wanted to do a little walkthrough of something I found out today. My buddy Pro Trader Mike here just unleashed all his courses. He removed the fee so you can learn from a man with over 20 years of experience in trading futures and stocks and crypto. And it's all free. So check this out. I'm just going to show you his page really quick. This is his Twitter page. And he's got a link to his website right here. It says Pro Trader, one word, _ Mike. And he's got a little promo going on right now called the Freedom Bundle, where he's giving away everything for free. And Mike is the real deal. I've been trading with him for the past, I want to say 8 months, and this guy's nuts. He knows the market better than anyone else I know. So we're going to do a little walkthrough right now. I'm going to just show you what it looks like, what you're getting, and how you can sign up. All right, so I'm going to click on this link here on his X post. Let's see, it's going to open up his page. Let's see, MOJO University, tearing down the barriers that stop people from becoming successful traders. Love it. Yeah, most gurus do charge thousands of dollars for courses and coaching. I've looked around and nobody offers what MOJO Day Training offers. It's a really good deal. So let's see what Mike is giving out. Let's see, $50,000 eval for free. That's worth it right there for signing up. He's going to give you a free eval. Get unlimited one-on-one coaching. He's really putting himself out there for you guys. One thing I've noticed about Mike is that he just loves teaching people. A DOS trader tag along. Yeah, so Mike on his Discord channel, he streams the DOS trader, and that's the level 2 data feed. Now that's a expensive subscription. I've looked around and DOS trader is pretty reasonably priced because other level 2 datas are about this cost. But the DOS trader itself, that software is, I think it's the best one out there for your money. This level 2 video training, this is what got me to realize that Mike is the real deal and he knows his shit. So I watched this video probably a year ago, paid $100 for it. And I was like, whatever, what's level 2? So it's not even a long video. I just watched it and I was like, holy shit, like this guy knows his stuff. So it was on my mind for a while to, I should probably reach out to Mike and, learn from someone who knows what they're doing, because I had just hit it pretty big with NVIDIA and then Meta. And yeah, so I wanted to do something with the profit I made. So I invested in learning from him. And let's see, the Mojo chat room. Yep, I'm on there. I'm on the Discord chat room. Nice group of people on there. Everybody's friendly and helpful. Let's see, Mojo Futures Masterclass. Now this is pretty cool because he really breaks it down in a simple way for you guys to learn. His courses are, recordings of classes he's given. And he's really showing you that the market is a lot more predictable than people realize. There's a lot to do with market makers and price action that no trading guru will ever talk about, because they always try to sell you on indicators. They want you to buy their indicators on a monthly fee and keep you as a customer forever. Now, the only indicator you're ever going to need is going to be right here on this DOS trader. And that's the high-speed level 2 data feed. That is key because you can see the big money moving in before it moves the price. And yeah, I think when I signed up with Mike, I paid like $1,500. I don't think I even got the free eval back then, but I don't even care. I think it's totally worth it. I think everybody should sign up for this and learn from him and from the others in the room. We're there trading Monday through Friday, sometimes Sunday for the pre-market. And yeah, great group of people on there, and we're just all in it together because trading by yourself is really freaking boring. And yeah, this is Mike. He's a cool guy. He likes to golf. He's a really good golfer. He teaches golfing too, actually. He lives out in Florida where it's nice and hot out. And yeah, he's been in the game for 30 years. He was a stockbroker for a while, and he figured, screw it, I'm just going to go into business for myself. And he's been full-time day trader. No problem. So yeah, let's see this bundle. All the things we just looked at, tallied up. Let's enroll. I made an email just for this. So let's see. We're going to do... Oh, spelled it wrong. All right. So yeah, I made an email just for this. I'm never going to use this email again. That. We're going to go... Is this? Oh, this is on the Edge browser. All right, let's go here. Got the code. Okay. All right, so I got the Freedom Bundle.
All right, traders, here's how to get started with the MOJO Freedom Bundle and get it all 100% free. Step number 1, you'll see everything included, like the Futures Masterclass, Toolbox, Chat Room Access, and more. Now, before you jump into the Futures course, I want you to start with one specific video. It's still one of the most important lessons you'll ever watch. That's it. Super simple. Enroll, unlock your courses, watch level 2 first, and then dive into the Futures Masterclass. I'll see you inside.
All right. Going in. All right, so, man, we got all this stuff. Let's zoom out a little bit. So we got 2 rows. Coaching, chat room, toolbox, futures, level 2. So yeah, this course right here is like a quick 10-minute video, but Mike explains it so simply how the level 2 data feed works. And yeah, it's a game changer in itself right here. I know the futures course is a bunch of classes, but really quick, let's start at the first one. You got the MOJO coaching session. You want to schedule this after you've taken all of the futures course, all the videos here. I think I watched them like 2 or 3 times each. And then after you finish that up, you're going to reach out to Mike, and he's going to get you scheduled for a coaching session. And in this coaching session, your trading software is going to get set up, and we're going to set up your indicators so you can trade with the same setup that Mike uses. And from there, if you want to customize it, it's up to you. But I think Mike's setup is pretty good. And then after you have that coaching session set up, and if you've met with Mike and he knows you're legit, you can come into the Discord room. And he does, we don't just let anybody in there willy-nilly. It would be a trash room. So we're very picky about the people we let in, and they have to be serious about trading and becoming better traders. We really encourage participation. It's not that fun to be trading and nobody wants to talk. So we have a little soundboard where you can always hit something. Every time we get a good trade, there's always some kind of fun soundboard thing you can hit. And so we've got a MOJO day trading toolbox here. So in here, there's going to be some other goodies. Let's see. Yeah, how to set up your NinjaTrader platform. We love the NinjaTrader. It's a free software and tons of indicators. Just a really solid, easy on the eyes software. So then we have, let's see, a lot of like super helpful nuggets of information to help you get started in futures. This is great. Some of these are a little long. He's got like compilations of all his trading clips here. So, got hour and 40 minutes of footage. Let's see, coaching session recordings, how to trade on the DOM. See, that's really important. Most people have never traded on a DOM, and I highly recommend that you learn, because that is the only way to trade. Once you master the DOM, then you should learn how to use the chart to trade, because the DOM is key. It makes trading more like a video game. And especially if you have a large account and you're playing with micros, it's way more fun. We don't really like using minis on futures because with high risk, you have a lot of losses. But if you're trading with micros, you still make good money and you don't have to risk it all. So micros are the way to go. Yeah, he's got his spreadsheets here, the profit loss tracker, futures account, sizing guide. Oh, and this book. This is a good book too. So yeah, he's got a lot of good stuff. His layout for the DOS trader. It's pretty cool. Can't believe he's giving all this away right now. This is really good. I don't know how long it's going to last, but you guys have to jump on this. Let's see. Lastly, we got the futures course here. Let's see. So yeah, he looks like he's got 5 lessons, and they're all hour and a half long, and a little final exam at the end. And yeah, you just have to watch the videos, learn the fundamentals of his theory, and then you can start trading. It's the biggest win. I don't think I've ever seen anyone give away their courses. And yeah, I would start here with the level 2. Definitely start here, and then do the futures course. In between, start chipping away at the toolbox videos too. And I think I spent about 2 weeks just studying this every day, like I was back in college, and taking notes, rewatching the videos. And yeah, it's a whole different style of trading. It's a lot more fun than anything you've probably ever done before. So highly recommend this. Yeah, so that's it for here. He does have a swing letter. This Mojo swing trade letter. He posts it every Sunday night, and he's got some real good winners. And if you just bought like one call option on one of these, every time he puts out some picks, then you're going to make money. Like no effort money right here. He uses CanSlim, which is like the best method for screening for high yielding stocks, like high return stocks. So I highly recommend you guys check this out. This is a freaking good deal. And yeah, don't forget, it's Pro Trader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading, #1 futures trading coach, period. And don't forget, he's a top 25 Apex affiliate. Yeah, he's a great trader. Definitely want to learn from this guy. But yeah, so thanks for watching my video, and I hope you guys check this out. You can go on my Twitter page too. I've got a link there. And yeah, you can sign up. All right, see you guys later.